India's corvette INS Kilton visited Vietnam's Na Rong port, Ho Chi Minh City under Mission Sagar 3 as a part of India's humanitarian and disaster relief assistance to friendly foreign countries during the COVID-19 pandemic. Besides delivering aid to Vietnam, India's Navy ship Kilton's visit is aimed at enhancing maritime cooperation between the two navies to contribute to regional security and stability. On its departure from Ho Chi Minh City, the warship will undertake a passing exercise with the Vietnam People's Navy in South China Sea on December 26 and 27. The Passex are a first since the India-China Galwan incident earlier this year. China has also been violative of Vietnam's sovereignty in the South China Sea, trying to claim large mineral-rich swaths of the sea based on its so-called Nine-Dash Line, a claim which has been dismissed by the US government and disputed by many Southeast Asian countries. The warship is carrying 15 tons of humanitarian relief supplies for people affected by floods in central Vietnam. The Indian Navy said this assistance is reflective of the deep people-to-people connect between the two friendly countries. Mission Sagar 3 is to further the vision of Sagar Initiative, or Security and Growth for All in the Region initiative, which reflects the importance India accords to ASEAN countries and how India is a dependable partner and Indian Navy is a preferred security partner and first responder. During a summit held between PM Modi and his Vietnamese counterpart on December 21st, India and Vietnam signed 7 agreements in areas ranging from defense to petrochemicals. PM Modi also described Vietnam as an important pillar of India's Act East policy and an important ally of our Indo-Pacific vision. Countering China's aggressive action in the region, the two countries also unveiled a joint vision for enhanced security cooperation to ensure stability in the Indo-Pacific. One of the 12 patrol boats being made by India for Vietnam under a $100 million line of credit was also handed over to Vietnam.